Hello dear students, how are you? Hope all of you fine. Okay dear students, in last class we have learnt prime factorization. Okay, when a number is expressed as a product of its factors are called prime factorization. Okay, here in last class we have learnt factor tree. Using factor tree we have find out prime factorization. Okay, today we have to find prime factorization by division method. Okay, I will give a number 28. Find prime factorization by factor tree method. Okay, let's find by factor tree method. How? Here write prime number 2. 2 how many are? 2. 14s are 4, 28. Okay. Next, split 14 as 2 sevens are. What? 2 sevens are. Okay. Here we got prime numbers 2, 2, 7. Okay. 28 is equal. Prime factorization of 28 is equal to 2 into 2 into 7. Clear? Now, take a same number. Find the prime factorization by division method. Okay. Like this. Okay. Division method. Here we are using like this, isn't it? 2. Okay. Here take a prime number 2. 2 ones are 2. 2 fours are 8. 2 ones are 2. 2 fours are 8. Next again divide 14 by 2. 14 can divide by 2. Okay. 2 how many are 14? 2 sevens are 14. Okay. 7 is divided by 7. 7 ones are 7. Finally we should get 1 here. Okay. Therefore 28 prime factorization of 28 is equal to 2 into 2 into 7. 2 into 2 into 7. Understood? This is factor tree method. This is division method. Okay. Let's take one more example. Find out prime factorization by division method. I will take 36. 36. Okay. 2. Here this is an even number, isn't it? It is divisible by 2. 2 ones are 2. Here 1 remain. 16. Okay. 2 ones are 2. 1 remain. Carry here. Okay. It became 16. 2 how many are 16? 2 8s are 16. Again divide by 2. 2 how many are 18? 2 9s are 18. Then divide by 9. We can't divide by 2. Isn't it? Next we can divide by 3. 3 3s are 9. 3 3s are 9. Next 3 1s are 3. Okay, got 1 here. So what are the prime factorization of 36? 36 is equal to 2 into 2 into 3 into 3. 2 into 2 into 3 into 3. Clear? Take one more. 908. Here taken big number 908. Okay. Even number. So divide by 2. 2. Here is a 9. 2 4s are 8. 2 4s are 8. But here is 9. So 1 is remain. Carry here. 18. 2 how many are 18? 2 9s are 18. 0. 2 zeros are 0. Okay. Again divide by 2. 2 2s are 4. 2 2 4s are 8. Here is a 9. So 1 is remain. Carry here. 2 5s are 10. Here we got odd number. We can't divide by 2. Can we divide by 3? 3 8s are 24. Then 5 is left. 5 can't divide by 3. So we can't divide by 3. Next prime number is 5. Can we divide by 5? Yes. In ones place 5 is there. Okay. So this number is divisible by 5. 5. Here is a 24. 5 ones are 5. 5 twos are 10. 5 threes are 15. 5 fours are 20. 5 fives are 25. So we can't write here 5. 5 fours are 20. Then 4 is remains 45. 5 how many are 45? 5 9s are 45. Okay. Next number we got 49. 49 can divide by 5? No, we can't divide by 5. By 7, next prime number 7. Can divide by 7? Yes. 7, how many are 49? 7, 7s are 49. Okay, again 7, 1s are 7. So, prime factorization of 980 is 2 into 2 into 5 into 7 into 7. 2 into 2 into 5 into 7 into 7. Clear? Prime factorization by division method. I hope you have understood this. Dear students, next topic is highest common factor. Do you heard this? Highest common factor, short form HCF. 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 Okay. Short form HCF. Highest common factor. Here only given highest common factor. The highest common factor of two or more given numbers is the highest of their common factors. Okay. The highest common factor of two or more given numbers is the highest of their common factors. Okay. Find the HCF. HCF means highest common factor of 12 and 16. Find the HCF of 12 and 16. Highest common factor. First, we have to find the factors of 12 and 16. What are the factors of 12? Factors of 12. Factors of 12. Here we should find prime factorization of 12. Prime factorization of 12. To find HCF, you have to find prime factorization of given number. What are prime factorization of 12? Find by division method. Okay. 2, how many are 12? 2, 6 are 12. Okay. Next, 2 how many are 6? 2, 3 are 6. Next, 3 1s are 3. Okay. Next, okay students, here this is a small number, isn't it? 12. Write factors of 12. What are the factors of 12? Factors of 12: 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, next 12. Okay, next factors of 16. Factors of 16: 1, 2, 4, 8, 16. Okay, here find the HCF, means highest common factor. Here 1 is common, 2 is common, 4 is common. Okay. Here which is highest common factor? Which is highest big number? Here 4 is big, isn't it? 1, 2, 4 common factors. Here which is highest common factor? Which is biggest common factor? That is 4. So answer is HCF of 12 and 16 is equal to 4. Okay. After explain HCF, find out by factorization method also. You will get the same answer, 4. Okay. Next one. Next, take one more example. Find the highest common factors of 24 and 36. Find the HCF of 24 and 36. Here you can also be found by factorization of these numbers. Here use division method. Okay, 24. 2 ones are 2 twos are 4. 2 6 are 12. 2 3s are 6. Next 3 can divide by 3. 3 ones are 3. Next 36. 2 ones are 2. 1 remain. 2 8s are 16. 2 9s are 18. 9 can divide by 3. 3 3s are 9. 3 1s are 3. Here factors of this prime factors of 24 is equal to 2, 2, 2, 3. Here prime factors of 36 is equal to 2, 2, 3, 3. Here common factors of 24 and 36. Here these two factors are common. Next these two factors are common. Here 2 is left. Is there any more 2? No. Let it be. Next 3. Common factor 3. Here one more 3 is left. Okay. Let it be. Don't write. Therefore HCF of 24 and 36 is equal to 2 into 3. Okay, 2 into 3 is equal to 2 into 2, 4. 4 into 3, 12. So highest common factor of 24 and 36 is equal to 12. Okay. So yeah, for this 2 is common. Okay. Here these 2 are common. For this 2, there is no more 2. Next, these 3 common. Okay, understood?